talk about how can you disable your song and album email notifications on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above here your photo profile. You click on it here. We just click here on photo profile. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications here. We just click on notifications. It's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to new song album emails here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color here, it's gone. That's mean new song album emails notifications. It's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.